So, well students, we are undergoing some MCQ problems. We shall continue those problems under MCQ type. Next question. If the function, this is perhaps class number 43, maybe actually 45, because 37, 38 I might have written once, even though they happened twice. Let it be. Class numbers not important. Getting information is more important than the counting number of classes. So if the function f of x equals to first value root of 1 plus lambda x minus root of 1 minus lambda x divided by x, and the second value 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. This is if x not equal to 0, and some extra interval can be added if we wish. Minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 0. If 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, in fact less than 1, is continuous at x equal to 0, then what is the value of lambda? Remember in mind, we are answering for MCQ problems, so you need to save the time. If it is asked in theory, you go with steps, finding LHL, RHL separately, finding f of a, etc., then getting the answer. Here, you must get the answer in as much as possible, minimum time. Then lambda. First option 1, second option minus 1, third option 0, fourth option 2. What is given? Given that function is continuous, so f of 0 must be equal to LHS. As function is continuous, f of 0 equal to left hand. F of 0 means from this condition we can get f of 0. Put x0, 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 minus 1, minus 1. Total f of 0 is minus 1. Left hand limit extending to 0. Refer x less than value. X less than 0 defined by this expression. So root of 1 plus lambda x minus root of 1 minus lambda x divided by x. However, this expression becomes 0 by 0 form. As it is under 0 by 0 form, let's apply L-Hospital rule in the right hand side. Whereas left hand side remain minus 1. In the right hand side, let's apply L-Hospital rule. So limit extending to 0. What does L-Hospital rule says? Differentiate numerator and denominator. Differentiation of root of 1 plus lambda x is 1 by 2 root of 1 plus lambda x into lambda. Total lambda divided by 2 root of 1 plus lambda x. Similarly here, 1 by 2 root of 1 minus lambda x into minus lambda minus or minus plus lambda divided by 2 root of 1 minus lambda x. And that is differentiation of numerator divided by differentiation of x, 1 that is ignored. Replace x by 0. On replacing x by 0, minus 1 equal to lambda by 2 into 1 plus 0. Though there is a root, but root of 1 is 1 plus lambda by 2 into root of 1 minus 0. That is minus 1 equal to lambda lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2 is lambda. Hence minus 1 equal to 2 lambda by 2, nothing but lambda. So lambda is minus 1. Second option is the correct one. You may get to wonder why you not found RHL. Not required. Because we are answering for MCQ problem, not for theoretical problem. If it were a theory problem, then you have to find LHL, RHL separately and they should be equal, etc. to be taken. But here, as much as minimum steps, minimum time to be taken. Next question. Question number you please maintain. I don't know that which question number that presently going on. Next problem. If the function f of x equals to tan of greatest integer function of e square x cube. That symbol stands for greatest integer function minus tan of tan of greatest integer function of minus e square x cube. All that is whole divided by x cube. This is if x not equal to 0. And a, if x equal to 0, is continuous. Is continuous, then a equal to what? First option minus 15, second option plus 15, third option 7, fourth option minus 8. Solution. Now recall E value is roughly 2.718. So E square become roughly 7.3. So what I am telling is rough answer with rough value of E square. So now given function fx becomes as what it become? Tan of greatest integer of 7.3 x cube minus tan of greatest integer of minus 7.3 x cube whole divided by x cube. Now recall, the greatest integer of 7.3 value is, the definition says that greatest integer of x is always less than or equal to x, where this x is perfectly an integer, but that integer is less than or at the most equal to x, but never greater than x. Obviously, greatest integer of 7.3 cannot become 8, because 8 is 7.3, its value will be 7. So it is tan of 7x cube minus. And here, one step can be taken. Okay. Now this is the greatest integer of minus 7.3. Greatest integer of minus 7.3 is not equal to minus 7. Be careful, it will be equal to minus 8. Because minus 8 is less than minus 7.3. Hence, this is tan of minus 8x cube divided by x cube. Next, you can apply theorem or trigonometric formula tan of minus theta minus of tan theta. At the same time, function is continuous, therefore f of 0 equal to limit of fx f of 0 means a limit of x tending to 0, f of x. F of x is tan of 7x cube divided by x cube minus, but actually become plus. And just like tan of minus theta, minus tan theta, minus of minus plus tan 8x cube divided by x cube. Let's apply standard shortcut method. By shortcut method, limit of tan mx by x, answer is m. Here 7, here 8. So this is a equal to 7 plus 8 or 15. Since limit of tan mx by x or limit of tan m theta by theta is m. Here m is 7, here m is 8. Next problem. Derivative of tan inverse root 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x with respect to tan inverse x means it is actually concept of differentiation of one function with respect to another function. First option 1 by 2, second option 2, third option minus 1 by 2, fourth option 0. That means we shall take one function u, another function v. Let u equal to tan inverse of root 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. And in the earlier days I told that this expression answer try to memorize as far as MCQ is concerned. Actually you have to put here x equal to tan theta, after putting x equal to tan theta, simplify etc. Actually u becomes as 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x. And also v is tan inverse of x. So u dash. What's u dash? Differentiation of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square total 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square, and also v dash is 1 by 1 plus x square. Lastly, what is required? U dash by v dash. Required is u dash divided by v dash, that becomes 1 by 2. Actually, in theory you have to work out 2 steps. Put x equal to tan theta, 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta, root secant square theta is sec theta, minus 1, sec theta is 1 by cos theta, etc. Then after taking some more steps, you will get the result as 1 by 2 tan inverse x. But I advise that remember this answer for MCQ examination. Next problem. The number of points of discontinuity. The number of points of discontinuity or the points of discontinuity can be taken. If it is points, you must write which points you get. If it is number of points, how many points are there? The number of points of discontinuity for the function y equal to f of fx, where fx equal to 1 by x plus 2. First option 1, second option 2, third option 0, fourth option none of these. What question is there? Number of points. If only points were asked, you must find those points whichever you are going to get. So let's get those points. Since fx, what is fx? 1 by x plus 2. So which is very clearly discontinuous for x equal to minus 2, which is discontinuous or not continuous at x equal to minus 2. Because of y is f of fx, so one of the point of discontinuity is minus 2. So let's estimate f of fx. So y equal to f of fx means f of 1 by x plus 2. To calculate f of 1 by x plus 2 means in the function fx, put x equal to 1 by x plus 2. It becomes 1 divided by, so replace x by 1 by x plus 2, 1 by x plus 2 plus 2. Note this step, we have to replace x by 1 by x plus 2. LCM x plus 2, that goes to numerator, that means x plus 2 divided by 1 plus 2 into x plus 2. That is x plus 2 divided by 2x plus 5 after simplification. For discontinuity, you have to observe denominator. Very clearly, denominator is 0 for x equal to minus 5 by 2. Denominator can become 0 for x equal to minus 5 by 2. So for that value of x, this function does not exist. I mean, discontinuous. Hence, there are 2 points of discontinuity. One point is minus 2, another point is minus 5 by 2. So there are 2 discontinuity points. If question is asked, what are those points? Your points of discontinuity are minus 2 and minus 5. These are actual points. This is how many points are there for discontinuity. Observe, 2 is not point of discontinuity, 2 is number of points of discontinuity. Whereas actual points are minus 2 and minus 5. Next question. If x equal to sin t, if x equal to sin of t, y equal to sin of 70 x sin t, y sin 70, then what is the value of 1 minus x square into y double dash minus x into y dash? First option 49y, second option minus 49y, third option only y, fourth option minus y. So first write the given parametric equations. What is given? X equal to sin t and y equal to sin 70. Now by definition of inverse functions, x equal to sin t implies that t equal to sin inverse of x. Let us put this value of t in the function y. So now y becomes sin of 7 sin inverse of x. And I told in earlier days, almost all whatever things are to be discussed as far as shortcut methods are concerned. I told earlier that whenever y is defined by sine of m sine inverse x, or it may be sine of m cos inverse x, or it may be cos of m sine inverse x, etc. In all these cases, for all these functions, we have a unique answer. The answer is 1 minus x square into y2 minus xy1 equal to minus of m square y. Now our problem is exactly of this category. M, what is M? 7. So now answer 1 minus x square into y double dash minus x into y dash equal to minus of m square y, means minus of 7 square y, that is 49y with minus sign. Total minus 49y. In theory you have to solve the steps, but in MCQ examination if you go like this in detail, like in theory, you lose the time. That's why my advice is that as far as theory concerned, work out with steps. As far as MCQ concerned, try to memorize answers as much as possible. Next problem. If x equal to 3 sin t minus sin 3t and y equal to 3 cos t minus cos 3t, then y dash at t equal to pi by 3 is equal to you have to get y dash at point t equal to pi by 3. First option 1 divided by root 3, second option minus 1 divided by root 3, third option root 3, fourth option minus of root 3. What the functions we are given, they are in parametric form. So in parametric form, dy by dx formula is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So let's use parametric function differentiation. So now dy by dx is defined by dy by dt divided by dx by dt. That means differentiation of 3 cos t minus 3 sin t minus differentiation of cos 3t minus 3 into sin 3t minus of minus plus 3 sin 3t divided by dx by dt will become 3 cos t minus 3 into cos of 3t. However, in the process, 3 will cancel out. At the same time, you put t equal to pi by 3. Wherever t is there, replace it by pi by 3. So, dy by dx equal to numerator minus sin pi by 3 plus here 3 cancels, sin pi divided by cos pi by 3 minus cos pi. Sin pi by 3 value is root 3 by 2, whereas sin pi value is 0 divided by cos pi by 3 value 1 by 2, cos pi value is minus 1. That is equals to minus root 3 by 2 whole divided by 1 plus 1 by 2. LCM 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3, and 2 goes to numerator. So it is minus root 3 by 2 into 2 divided by 3. 2 cancels. And also at the same time, what is 3? 3 is root 3 into root 3. When root 3 cancels, minus 1 by root 3 is the final answer. Next problem. Next question. Under MCQ type, the value of C by Rolle's theorem for the function e raised to x into cos x. In fact, for the function e raised to x into sin x on the interval 0 to pi e is asking C value by Rolle's theorem. First option pi by 4, second option pi by 2, third option 3 pi by 4, and fourth option none of these. Bear in mind, you are answering to MCQ examination question, not theoretical. If it is theoretical one, you have to get f of a, f of b, then f dash x, etc. But all those things not required. Directly we shall get f dash of x. In the Rolle's theorem, what we have is that f dash of c equal to 0. So very first f dash of x, this is f of x. To get f dash of x, apply product rule. First function e power x into cos x plus second function sin x into differentiation of e power x is e power x. That means f dash of x equal to e power x common in the bracket sin x plus cos x. And by Rolle's theorem, we have that f dash of c equal to 0. Means e power c into bracket sin c plus cos c equal to 0. But e power any number never equal to 0, since e raised to c never equal to 0, hence sin c plus cos c equal to 0. Sin c plus cos c equal to 0 implies sin c equal to minus cos c. Or sin c equals to sin c divided by cos c equal to minus 1. Sin c by cos c is tan c equal to minus 1. So implies c equal to, angle c must belong to second quadrant, 135 degrees, c equal to 135 degrees, means 3 pi by 4 radians. Suppose if same problem, the value of c by Rolle's theorem for the function e power x into cos x on the interval 0 to pi is, which I am just giving you information, which fourth option like this does not exist. are not able to compute. If same problem given for e power x into cos x, then my question is that what it now been, whether Rolle's theorem can be applied, cannot be applied. Rolle's theorem cannot be applied because f of a, f of 0, f of 0, 1. Whereas f of pi, cos pi minus 1 into e power pi, f of pi become minus of e power pi. Obviously, f of 0 not equal to f of pi. Hence, we can't apply Rolle's theorem. We can apply Lagrange's theorem, that is different. But question is that Rolle's theorem. So be careful. If same problem given with function e power x into cos x, then your answer will be does not exist for C value. Okay. However, for e power x into sin x, it is okay because sin 0, 0, sin pi, 0, hence f of a equal to f of a holds with sin x function but not with cos x function. Next question. If y equals to e raised to 3x into sin 2x, then what is the value of y2 minus 6y1? First option 13y, second option minus 13y, third option 13, mean only 13, fourth option minus 13. Now if you go and differentiate first term, second term, it's a waste of time. Especially what I'm telling for MCQ examination. Do you remember this standard problem? Already we worked in earlier classes. That's why I told you, especially when solving second derivative problems, I advise it that those problem answers to be kept in memory as far as MCQ concerned. As far as theory concerned, you have to work out with steps. That's why that no compromise at all. So now we have this standard problem. We know that if y equal to e power ax into sin bx, then y2 minus 2a y1 plus a square plus b square into y equal to 0. Remember this answer. Now compare. In this problem, A, what is A? 3, B, 2. So now putting in our standard result, use here y2 minus 2 into 3 into y1 plus 3 square plus 2 square into y equal to 0, or y2 minus 6 y1 equal 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 4 plus 9 13, that side minus 13 y. That's the desired answer. Realize, if you not remember this answer, you have to waste more time. First term differentiation, second term differentiation, some steps to be combined there and here, then you will get this answer, but it will be taking a huge time. So better remember. And more interestingly, for e power x sin bx and for e power x cos bx, the result is same, with no change in outcoming result, maybe for sin bx or cos bx. Next problem. If y equals to 5 e raised to 3x plus 2 e raised to 4x, then which of the following holds? Which of the following holds means which of the following is true with respect to this function? In that first option, y double dash plus 7y dash plus 12y equal to 0. Second option, y double dash minus 7y dash minus 12y equal to 0. Third option, y double dash minus 7y dash plus 12y equal to 0. Fourth option, y double dash plus 12y equal to 0. It's not an easy one. Easy for theory, but not for an MCQ examination, because you have to get y dash, y double dash, and you have to simplify. You have to verify which of the among of these four will be satisfied. And we have one shortcut method or one standard result for this kind of problem. Recall theory class. We know that whenever y equal to a into e power mx plus b into e power nx, if y divided by a e power mx plus b e power nx, then this result will be always follows. Then d2y by dx2 minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mn into y equal to 0. So let's use that standard result in this particular problem. M. What is M? 3. N 4. M 3. N 4. Answer becomes as y double dash minus 7y dash, because 3 plus 4 7. 3 into 4 12 plus 12y equal to 0. That's all. Very direct answer in less time. But provided that answer to be kept in memory very correctly. Like this, we have plenty of such problems. I told and I advised that remember these answers. Remembering is your job. That's left to your hard work. So you should not blame the lecturers how to remember, in which time you remember. That's not concern. You have to remember by putting more hard work. So then only you can come up with solving more number of questions in MCQ examination. Otherwise, we will lag by number of problems. Next problem. Next question. If x equal to t square, y equal to t cube, then what is the value of d2y by dt square? Then what is the value of d2y by dt square at t equal to 1? First option 3 by 2, second option 3 by 4, third option minus 3 by 2, fourth option none of these. So we are again having the differentiation of parametric functions. Very first, dx by dt becomes t square, in fact 2t. Keep in mind, while discussing theory classes, I took in very slow manner. As now that concept is known, you have to go with a little bit fast. And also at the same time, dy by dt becomes 3t square. And dy by dx formula. dy by dx formula is dy by dt by dx by dt means 3t square divided by 2t. It is rather than 3 by 2t. This is dy by dx. Here t will cancel. Now let's calculate d2 over dx2. Keep in mind you are finding second derivative for parametric function. Be aware of that. Now d2y by dx2 means dy by dx of dy by dx, that is dy by dx of dy by dx is 3 by 2t. Differentiation of 3 by 2t with respect to x, no doubt 3 by 2 into dt by dx. Notice that. And in the earlier class I told detail why it comes because of change. Or 3 by 2 into dt by dx means 1 by dx by dt. However, dx by dt value is 2t. Now this is 3 divided by 2 into 2t or 3 divided by 4t. At t equal to 1. Lastly, at t equal to 1, your answer will become 3 by 4. So it is the second option. If sine inverse of x cube minus y cube divided by x cube plus y cube equal to 2020, then what is the value of d2y by dx2? So you are answering for MCQ examination. Be aware of that. We have this shortcut method or we have this standard problem. We know that sine inverse of whatever function, if whatever function of x to the power of n plus or minus y to the power of n divided by x to the power of n minus or plus y to the power of n, and understandably in numerator, denominator, signs are different, equal to k, then dy by dx will be always equal to y by x. No need of verifying it for MCQ. But in theory you have to solve it. Already we solved similar example in theory, making this as sin 2020. Sin 2020 means constant, differentiate, hereby quotient rule, then cross multiply, simplify, you will get dy by dx as y by x. And one more thing, I told that whenever dy by dx is y by x, whenever our answer of dy by dx is y by x, 100% dy by dx2 will be equal to 0. This implies dy by dx2 always equal to 0. Keep that in mind. Next problem. If f of x plus y plus g of x plus y plus phi of x plus y is equal to constant k, then d2y by dx2 equal to how much? First option 1, second option -1, third option 0, fourth option 2. Here if you go in the direct procedure, means actual method, f differentiation f dash into 1 plus y dash, z differentiation z dash into 1 plus y dash, and phi differentiation phi dash into 1 plus y dash, differentiation of k 0, and 1 plus y dash is common, that is equated to 0, y dash become minus 1. But you can use this trick also. Just directly take, it's a trick. I am not telling that correct one. It's a just trick. Because in MCQ examination, tricks are important to save the time. Simply take that common expression. Take that common expression equal to constant. Common expression of that individual function. In individual function, what's the common expression? X plus y. Let it be equal to constant. Let x plus y equal to constant. It is a trick. It may not be absolutely correct method. You want to answer this time, you will take this kind of chance. Differentiate 1 plus y dash equal to 0 or y dash equal to minus 1. Again differentiate y double dash will be equal to 0. Okay, students like this. Any other questions? Already I solved number of problems, each and every type, everything information I given, whatever possible things are there in book, etc. Extra also I mentioned. Now it is your job is to put hard work hard, and write answers sincerely for the upcoming test. So I wish you best of luck for the coming test, which may be soonly within 3 or 4 days. That will be third test. Third test syllabus already told, means already given message by Nitin. And again I am reminding to our college students, I mean CU college students, that third test of mathematics will be on 5th syllabus from 19th class to till this 43rd class, including theory as well as MCQ examination problems. Syllabus from 19th class onwards to till 43rd means successive differentiation, one function with respect to another function, parametric differentiation plus Rolle's theorem, Lagrange's theorem, whatever contents including continuity, differentiability, averaging, continuity, differentiability, second derivatives, one function with respect to another function, parametric function, mean value theorems, everything will be included in the upcoming test. I wish you good luck for the test. Thank you.